Hi everyone, this is my video for the class PDPR online. The subject is Mathematics Form 1. The chapter is chapter 4, Ratio and Rates and Proportion, and the subtopic is 4.3 Proportion. Good morning to all my students. Welcome to learning video from Cikgu NORAZIAH. Teacher hope you all feeling happy with learning video today and enjoy. Come, let's go to our class now. Before we start, teacher need to give information about the subtopic that we have learned yesterday. Need calculation and fully focus. So that teacher want you all ready with things like calculator, module, and exercise. Are you ready now? Come, let's start now. Today, we will learn about chapter 4 of rates, ratio, rates, and proportion. Last week, teacher already showed the video of ratio and rate. So, today we just proceed our learning is subtopic 4.3. Okay, we go about the learning standard for the subtopic for the 4.3 proportion. 4.3.1 determine the relationship between ratio and proportion. 4.3.2 determine an unknown value in a proportion. So we go the first one slide. Meaning of the proportion. Proportion is a relationship that states that the two ratio or two rates are equal. Proportion can be expressed in the form of fraction. Next, teacher want to show the example 1, how to calculate the proportion question. Write a proportion for each of the following situation. Question A. If 10 bands have a mass of 17 grams, then 30 bands have a mass of 51 grams. The solution is 17 grams over 10 bins equal 51 grams over 13 bins. So how to get this answer? So you need to know 17 go to the 51. How to get it? So you need to time 3. So also the 10 bin times 3 to become 30. So means that is the proportion. Next we go the example 2. Write a proportion for each the following situation. The Litouw de Langkawi cycling races covers a distance of 1,180 km, which start from Kedah and ends in Melaka. On the map, this distance is 23.6 cm, where 1 cm represents 50 cm. So we go to the solution, how to write it. 50 km to 1,180 km, 1 cm to be 23.6 cm. So means that you need to time 23.6 to become 1,180 km. So also 1 cm times the 23.6 cm, that's mean a proportion. Next slide is about the how do you determine the unknown value in a proportion. Okay, this is the question. Electricity costs 43.6 cents for 2 kilowatt hour. How much does 30 kilowatt hour cost? Solution. It has three solutions. The number one solution is use unitary method. The cost of electricity for 2 kilowatt is the total 43.6 cents. The cost of electricity for 1 kilowatt is, to find the 1 kilowatt, you need to divide by 2. So you get 21.8 cents. So the cost of the electricity for 30 kilowatt, so you need to time the 30 and 21.8. So the answer is 654 cents. This one, the second method, is proportion. Let the cost of electricity for 30 kilowatt be X cent. Then you can write the proportion, okay, 43.6 over 2, and the other one is X over 30. So to get the 15, okay, the teacher want to say 30 divided by 2. Okay, so you can become 15. So this means you can be times 43.6 times 15 X cent. So the answer is 654 cents. Next, we go to number 3 method, cross multiplication method. Let the cost of electricity for 30 kilowatt hour be X cent. Then 43.6 over 2 equal X over 30. So you can cross multiplication. So you can do like this. 2 times X equal 43.6 times 30, and X to become 43.6 times 30 over 2. So the total is 654. Thus, the cost of electricity consumption for 30 kilowatt hour is 6 ringgit 54 cents. Okay, until here only for video from teacher NORAZIAH today. See you again for the next video. Thanks to be staying with this video learning today. Keep smile. Don't forget subscribe, share and like.